Hello and welcome back. This topic might be familiar to you since we talked about this in an earlier video, but in this particular video, I'm going to show you a longer script or code, and this will actually allow you to allow multiple static IP addresses to access your WP-admin directory and deny everyone else. So in short, that's just it. It's just a longer code. The code that I have shown you in the earlier video, that's just a short one. Now, before we continue, please note that this can only be utilized when you have a static IP address and you always work on your site using several computers. Only those several computers, like maybe your home computer and then the computer that you use at work. And again, if you have a lot of people working on your site, like you have a lot of bloggers, you have a lot of people posting or writing content to your site, and thus they have access, maybe you also have several people working on the site itself, then this option is not recommendable. It is not advisable. You can choose to not do this. That being said, let's go ahead and do this. The steps are actually the same. You need to edit the .htaccess inside the wp-admin folder or directory, and as you can see, the code now is longer, or the script is longer. So about these IP addresses here, you can actually replace them with the IP address that you use. So it could be the IP address of your computer, or it could be the IP address of the computer that you use at work. And it could also be the IP address of your blogger, the one that writes content for your site, maybe your webmaster, the one that actually manages your website as a whole. So, like what we did earlier, we will need to access the .htaccess file, edit it. As you can see, this is the code that we used earlier. This is the short one. And we just have to use this longer code here. So this one, copy it over here. Then make sure that the IP addresses that is inside this code are the ones that you're using on your computers, the computers that you are using to work on the site. So make sure to change these IP addresses to the ones that you're using on your computers. Once it's all updated, just go ahead and save the file and then you're done. So that is all for this video. Thanks, and I will see you in the next video.